In this video, I'll show you how to animation in Canva. We can make animation in our design or we can make animation character using Canva. I'll show you both of the things. First, I will show you how to make animation in your design, and then I will show you how to make animation character using Canva or how to make animation video using Canva. So first, I'm showing you how to animate any design using Canva, and Canva has a lot of functionality of animation. I'll show you all of them. First, get a design or get a canvas using Canva templates or using your custom resolution. Let's say I want to make a YouTube video. So YouTube thumbnail design, let's say YouTube thumbnail, and now I'm taking a blank canvas. So this is my blank canvas. I can now export any of the design. Let's say clicking here, I will get the templates available here. So these are some templates. Let's say this is my design and I want to make animation in this design. So how we can do this? First, you can do this a couple of ways. Let's say click here and click the animation, and now you will see a couple of options available. You can just click any of the featured animation, or you can select any of them. These are the photo flow, photo rise, and photo zoom. So I think photo zoom is good, and we can also try other available options: simple, slick, fun, party. And when you select any of the design or any of the animation feature, let's say I want to click here, you will get, let's say, both. Like both means on enter, on exit, it will show the animation. And if you want to select only one, then you can go just on enter or on exit. On exit means it will animate on exit time. On enter means it will start animated on enter time. So when you click any of the animation function, you can have this option available. If you want to remove the animation, you can just click remove all animations and it will make your image static, not animation. So if you want to see the preview, you can just go here and click the preview button and it will preview your design. You can just control the time of your animation from here. You can set your time. Let's say I want to make it within 1 second. So this is my current animation. I can see the preview. So this is the preview. So this is the feature of animation design. You can animate anything. Let's say I'm taking another thing, and here I will take an object. Let's say this, and I will take some of the text. Let's say this text. So I want to remove the background of the image. So and now I want to, let's say, give a different color. So say I want to animate this design. You can just click on the text and animate it individually. I'm clicking here on the text. It is a group text, and click the animation or animate, and you have all of the animated things here. Just select your preferred animation type. Let's say I want to make it as a typewriter, and it will animate on just both, like enter and on exit. You can also control the speed, character, words, everything So let's say I want to make it something little slow, and it will animate on enter, or it will animate on both case. So I'm clicking on enter, and here are other options available. Let's say now I want to animate this character also. So click on the object and click on the animate button, and here you will see a couple of available options. So you need to select your own choice. Let's say I think this is good, and we can also select from any of them. There are a lot of animation types. We can select any of them. So I think this is pretty good. Now we can just preview our animation design or animated design. Click here. This is the second slide or second scene of my animation. I can just control the animation length. So 1 second. Now I can just preview this one the first slide and this one the second slide. Let's say I want to delete the first one. Scene, click here and just delete page, and now it is only the second page. You can now preview your design. So this way you can animate any of your text, any of your elements, any of your objects, anything using Canva. You can just individually animate your character or individually animate your text or elements, or you can just animate your whole design using Canva. So now I will show you how to make animation character using Canva. So this is another a very good feature in Canva. You can use this. So to do this, I need to take a canvas first, and we should take a video canvas for this purpose. So I'm clicking here, and I will take another canvas, and this time we'll take a video canvas. Just video, and I need to get a landscape video. So this is my canvas. So now we will try to make animation character using Canva. First click here and get a landscape type background. Landscape background. Now click the graphics, and you will see some of the graphics here. Let's say I want to add this, and this is my background. Or let's say I want to add another one, landscape background road. So let's say this one is perfect for me now. And now I need to have a animation character which is walking through this road. So again click the element section, and here we will find a walking animation, and you need to just click here and select only animated things, and it will give you the elements which is only animated characters. So now let's say I want to add this character. I can flip it, click here, and I can flip it horizontally. So this is my animated character, and I want to like it is moving. So how we can do this? Click on the character and click on animation, and now click create animation, and it is a custom animation. Click here, and now you need to first hold your shift button or hold your shift key from the keyboard, and then just need to drag the path you want to walk your character. So I am holding shift now, just dragging the path I want to walk through the character here. So now you will see the animation character is here. Now customize our time. We can add animated background here. Now we can check our preview. Let's say some other things are moving. So I want to add another thing. Click element, and this time cycle. Click here. So another person is here, and he is riding a cycle. I'm just flipping it from the back side. So now I need to just move this character. So click on the character and click the animation, click the create animation. Now hold shift button, press, and this person is cycling. Done. So now just click the preview button, see the result. So this is pretty simple. You can make any types of story visually using Canva, and it is a very popular form of video creation. If you are a YouTube content creator, you can make animation using Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below.